New here at 10, a Duluth man with a history of criminal sexual conduct was found guilty today of sexually abusing a child. After a 3-day trial and 5 hours of deliberation, a jury came to that conclusion in Michael Hansen's case. The 41-year-old sexually abused a minor under the age of 13, a number of times between the years of 2018 and 2020. Authorities say the victim was someone that Hansen knew. They also thanked the mandated reporter who came forward, sparking this investigation. Hansen will be sentenced coming up in June. Hansen was also convicted of criminal sexual conduct back in 2005. We're working to get those court documents detailing that crime.